Azgard was born 50% Italian parents, so we had 50% the owners were Legler, which are the oldest and probably the most well-known denim producers in Europe, and 50% with our company, the Sheikh family, who was one of the oldest people in textiles in Pakistan. And then it grew, it was vertical from day one, so we had spinning of yarn, weaving of denim, dyeing and garments. Since then the company has grown and grown, and we are extremely innovative with product development. We were the first company in Pakistan to start producing stretch products. Today 80% of what we do is stretch. So our production capacity is 3.5 million meters a month of finished denim. What we weave is all kinds of denim, so it could be simple denims like 3x1, 2x1, also dobby denims, also denims with different kinds of warp yarns, different fibers, mixed wefts. We chose Itema machines because we believe that in terms of technology and product, their product, being the rapier weaving machine, is equal to anybody else or better. And our idea was that let's give it a chance and compare it with today what is considered in the Pakistan market as the market leader. And our experience has been net when we compare data with people weaving on that kind of weaving machine, our results are superior. So we've had a very positive experience both in terms of energy, in terms of the grade that the machine produces. We're able to get a higher first choice in the fabrics, and I can simply say we're very happy with the results. Well, for us, what's been very important is that when we weave stretch products, which is the majority of our product, you don't get yarn blow-off in the weft. We find a better ability to get a better first choice compared to other weaving machines. We have higher flexibility. If we need to come up with more innovative products, then the rapier allows us to use just about any kind of yarn in order to create those products. Super flexibility, all of this adds up for us as a much superior solution. If I was to compare it with the market, our feedback is that the performance of the Itema machine is not inferior in any way to any other machine in the market. And in our opinion, it's somewhat superior in terms of grade that we managed to get. And of course, the package deal is more economic. So for that reason, I think it makes a good, sensible proposition. Moreover, the cost of spare parts and the support from Itema, I believe, is superior to the other leading companies in rapier weaving. And that, I think, is very important because you're going to buy the looms only once, but you're going to live with them forever. You need that. Reliable, supportive, innovative.